These are the best AirPods Pro 3 replicas, the V6 HuiLian from High City. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where I plan to post several replica reviews just for you. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Make also sure to join the AirRep subreddit and Discord linked in the description. If you select the branded box option at checkout, don't worry, your replicas will come in decoy box like this one to avoid them being seized by customs. The box with Apple logos is underneath it. The only difference between the branded box and the unbranded one is whether you have Apple logos and text on the box and the serial number. The pull tabs on this box are decent, but I had trouble with the top one as it ripped, so I had to try several times. This is common with replicated boxes, so I'm not really complaining. Inside the box we have the manual, the AirPods, and extra ear tips. This won't change if you select the branded box or just get the generic one. Unfortunately, a cable isn't included anymore as Apple has stopped including cables in the box of the AirPods Pro 3.
I have to say that these are built really well. HuiLian has stepped up their game in the terms of build quality these last few generations. I can say that the hinge on the V6 HuiLian is quite good and has similar feel to real AirPods hinges, but the magnet isn't as strong. Sound quality unfortunately isn't the best on this unit. I found the bass to be too present and too punchy. It makes the overall sound quality feel muffled and muddy. Because these use the H.247 chipset, there's no option to EQ them, unlike the V5.4 HuiLian that uses the H.377 chipset, and that sound better stock. So you will have to use your streaming service's EQ option if you want to improve sound quality. What I like about these reps is they actually have live translation. In the following clip, it looks like there's some latency, but it isn't because they're reps, it's just how live translation works. It is the same latency as my AirPods Pro 2s.
Translating French.
Je suis en train de tester la traduction automatique sur les V6 et je trouve qu'elle marche plutôt bien.
I'm testing automatic translation on V6, and I think it works pretty well.
I feel as the V6 HuiLian has better ANC than its Pro 2 alternatives such as the V5.4 HuiLian and the V5.3 TB. That might be due to the new design and the ear tips being deeper in your ear canal, but what I found pretty underwhelming is transparency mode, which is just not right. It doesn't sound as good as the V5.4 HuiLian or the V5.3 TB. Unfortunately, the mic quality on the V6 HuiLian isn't the best. Here's what they sound like.
This is a mic test on the V6 HuiLian. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
This is a mic test on the Max V3 TB. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is a mic test on the V3 Gen 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And this is a mic test on my iPhone. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Unfortunately, I cannot recommend them for any types of calling. What I like about these is that unlike lower end tiers of replicas, these actually have features such as conversation awareness, which in my testing works actually pretty well. It triggers pretty much instantly, so I don't really have anything to complain about. They also have spatial audio, which work decently well, which is a nice thing to have. As for battery life, I can say that the V6 HuiLian is actually much better than the V5.4 HuiLian, which fell short against the V5.3 TB, HR, and HR+. Unlike the V5.4 HuiLian, stability is pretty good on these, and I haven't encountered the bug where the AirPods icon disappear in Control Center. I mean, stability is expected to be good on these as the chipset has been used in the past by HuiLian. So you might ask, Steel Sun, is there anything that you don't like or that is missing about these reps? And the answer is yes. Right now, there isn't any support for Find My, so there isn't any precision finding. What's missing on these is the heart rate sensor as well, but unlike the Find My network capability, this might come with future generations. So this concludes my review. I hope you liked it. If you did, please consider subscribing. See ya in the next one.